Hello there, my tulips. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new tuning in, a warm welcome. I'm so glad that you decided to stop by and check out today's video. So you guys, I'm doing a super short review of a gift that I got for Christmas 2024. So today what we're going to talk about is something that I'm new to, honey. I just met this little sweetie and she is new. And she is from the house of Mancera. Her name is Roses Greedy. Isn't she correct? Okay, so Roses Greedy from Mancera made her big debut in 2012. This is a 4 floral ounce, so she is full size. Yeah, she is absolutely stunning. I love just how expensive she feels in my hands. She's gorgeous. Okay, you guys, so just so that you know, the fragrance notes in this beautiful little lady is black currant, peach, white musk, sugar, vanilla. Y'all, this is an enchanting romantic fragrance of Roses Greedy. It is a floral fruity fragrance for women and men. So you guys, this particular scent opens up with the notes from peach, mandarin, orange, coconut, pink pepper, and black currant. The heart of this little lady is charismatic with notes of jasmine, flowers, and roses. The captivating notes of white musk, vanilla, amber, sugar, and benzoin. Y'all, this little lady packs a little punch. I'm so glad that I was introduced to her. She smells so beautiful. The top, just, oh my God, you guys, the top just feels so expensive. I don't know if this is real gold, but it's just heavy. It feels good. I just got her, so I have not had the opportunity to wear her a lot, but I have worn her a couple of times, and she smells like a little lady. For me, a little goes a long way. I am new to the perfume game, so I don't like to bathe myself a lot in perfume. I typically only do key points of the wrist. It's very rare that I'm going to wear anything on my neck because, honey, I don't want to feel like I'm overbearing to anyone. And that's just with all perfumes and toilets that I wear, but that's just me. But she smells good. I think she is for a particular type of woman. I don't think anyone can get away with wearing her. She's not the rich lady. She's not the poor lady. But she's the lady. She's the working class lady. That's the best way to describe her. She's the working class, honey. She's working up to rich status, okay? She ain't there yet, but she working towards that. I think that you will really smell the peak of her during the summer months because she is more of that floral, fruity scent. You can get away with wearing her in the winter because I'm not going to lie, you guys. I've been wearing her since I've gotten her a couple of times. So I've been wearing her this winter. I've been wearing her since December. So it's safe enough to wear that's the proper wording. She's safe enough for you to wear in the winter, but I think she hits her peak in the summer, so I cannot wait to wear her in the summer. But she is beautiful. She's a little lady. I can't describe her no more than that. She smells like a lady, but a certain type of lady, a working class lady. I don't know if she's an older lady, but she's definitely a working class lady. I don't think Generation X, is that what they call? I don't know. I don't know if they per se, I don't think they'll like the initial spray on, but the dry down is just gorgeous. She's truly a working class lady, and I can respect her. That's what she smells like. She smells like a lady I can respect. So I do like her, and I can't wait to wear her in the summer. So yeah, you guys. So I did go online to see where you can find her. She can be found on fragrance.net. And the going price, the highest price is $87. But you can get her in the travel size for 16 bucks. So yeah. And House of Mancera do have other fragrances within the line or within the brand. You can most certainly check them out. This is my first time ever having Mancera perfume at all, and I like it. Like I said, it takes a certain lady to wear this, and I think I'm the one. Okay, and perhaps you are too. If you have not given her a try, definitely recommend that you go to where you typically would buy your perfumes or toilettes and give her a smell to see if you like her. Now I know it said that this could be unisex, but in my personal opinion, she's truly, the sense of her is more feminine than it is masculine. So I just want to throw that out there. Anyway, hope this video was helpful. See you till in the next one. Smooches.